We're going to work on finding K using a trapezoidal approximation for which we've already been given the approximation, and we have to figure out the value for K, which is one of the coordinates of a point that has x equals 4 and y equals k. So just arbitrarily, because we have to have something, we're going to put the point, which we're going to call k, the k that's in the problem. It has to be at x equals 4. So it's somewhere along this line. So I'm just going to put it here. I don't have any idea what it actually equals. Okay, but I need something because now I have to make trapezoids. Probably I need this smaller. Now I need to make trapezoids from these 4 points, and I need 3 subintervals. So if I'm going up to 9, if I would go 1, 2, 3, if this would be my first subinterval right here. I don't think I want it dashed. Then go 3 more over. 1, 2, 3. Here's, does it say equally spaced? It doesn't say equally spaced. So backing up, clearly my subintervals should be from here where I have a point to here where I have a point, and then from 4 to 7 because I have a point at 7, and then from 7 to 9. Okay, so those are my subintervals. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a trapezoid. We'll do this. And one side is going to be from this point to this, from the point at 0, 3 to the point at 4k, whatever k is. And then it's going to have, this is the top, this is the base, this is. So with the trapezoid, the formula for its area is the 2 parallel bases. Well, let's just do it over here. Let's write it. The area of a trapezoid is 1/2 the length of base 1 plus the length of base 2. And remember, those bases are the parallel ones times the height, which is the distance between the bases. So this is going to be, we'll call this area 1. Then we will make another trapezoid, connect the dots, and then finish out the trapezoid. Okay, and this is going to be our area 2. And then we will make our third trapezoid by connecting the dots. Didn't do that very well. I'll fix it in a minute. And here's our third trapezoid. Okay. And so we'll find the area of this trapezoid, and we'll call it area 3. So right over here, area 1 is 1/2. Now remember, the bases are the parallel sides. So the first one has a height of 3, and the second one has a height of k, or a length of k. And then the height is the distance between the bases, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's my first area. And so you can multiply all this in. The 0.5 and the 4 makes this 2 times 3 plus k. If it's helpful, distribute that and get 6 plus 2k. Okay, so that is this area. It equals 6 plus 2k. Okay, now let's find area 2. Area 2 is going to be 1/2 times base 1, which is k, plus base 2, and at 7, this thing is up to 9, times the height, which is the distance between the bases, which is 3. And so that equals 3 times 1/2 is 1.5 times k. Hi, Dada.
No job today, huh?
Yeah, I'm on standby, but it doesn't look like I'm going to have a job. Today, yeah. So I'm answering questions.
Assignment received. Starting at Stewart's draft va. Stewart's draft va.
Anyway, so the 1/2 times the 3 is 1.5, and then we still have k plus 9. So if you distribute that, you get 1.5k. What is 9 times 1.5?
4.5 plus 9.
Let me get it.
13.5.
1.5 times 9. You're right, 13.5. So this is plus 13.5. So that's area 2.
All right, so you may not be home tonight. You're leaving so late.
Well, I'd have to look. Equals, we decide this is 1.5k plus 13.5. So that's the expression for area 2, which doesn't really fit in this space. Let's see if we can make it smaller. There it is. Let's see if we can make it a little bit bigger. That fits. Okay. Now, area 3 should not have any k's involved. It is 1/2 times this base is 9 tall, and this base is 11 tall. And the distance between them is just 2. 1, 2. And so that equals 1/2 times 2 is 1 times 9 plus 11 is 20, which is 20. And so now to find the trapezoidal approximation, we are going to take area 1 and back. We want to take area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3, and they have to equal 57, which is what the problem tells us. So we set up this algebra problem where area 1 is 6 plus 2k plus area 2, which is 1.5k plus 13.5 plus area 3, which is 20, and that has to equal 57. So let's combine all our constants. This is 6 plus 13.5 plus 20. So this, go back. this, let's just start a new one. So this, the constants equal 39.5, and we add our like terms, which is 3.5k, and that equals 57. And then we subtract 57 from, or 39.5 from both sides, which leaves us just the 3.5k equals 57 minus 39.5, which gives us 17.5. And then we divide both sides by 3.5 and find that k equals 5. And that's the answer. Thank you.